for that wonderful anthem. Good day, everyone. My name is JB, and I would like to introduce my sea lion friends, together with the trainers, one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, he is the handsome one. Oh, confident. His name is Vincent. Together with trainer Vince, say hi. Hi. While on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the prettiest. This is together with trainer Bird, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called pink or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as swim-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, buddies? And you know, they often are seal because they look very much. But some differences between a seal and the sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fun demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sina and friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sina and friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair, and the whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Ooh, what a nice smile! Hey! And they will also use their whiskers to aid navigation, or the small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat white cliffs with typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check it out. Very strong front flippers. And now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions are generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering, and that's their normal swim. And easy. Thank you so much, Vincent.
Uy, musunod ka sa penguin din.
But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to 20 ICs to 25 miles per hour. And that is surely a fast swim. How about a round of applause for Isis, the prettiest. Great job, Isis. Back to your seat. Oh, quite nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. So here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in the special operation? Yup, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by a radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright buddies, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute. Now, this time guys, could you please join our C9 friends in a salute? And the count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to swords and recovery equipment from the water. H2O. Alright, but first, the rings. You got it? And also ISIS. How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? Great job, buddies. You got your bling bling. Let's go, ISIS. Come on. And they asking for it. Alright, after the rings, buddies, what next? We have the balls. So how do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, buddies. Almost there. Steady.
Meron pa na.
Alright, let's wait for ISIS. Come on, ISIS. You can do it. Nice. Come on, ISIS. Let's go, ISIS. Almost there. Let's go, let's go. And amazing. Alright, I think we got everything. The balls and the rings in the balls. Now let's move on. Now this time guys, would you love to see a dance number from our C9 friends?
Yes!
Hey guys, here's the energy. Would you love to see them dance?
Yeah!
Now then, now.
Wow! Wow!
Come on. Yeah, ISIS, show them the boogie boogie dance. Shiggy bom bom, bounce and bounce. And the favorite part, the booty shake. Shake those booties. Come on, little birds. Yeah, man. Keep on rolling. Alright, ISIS, show them what you got. Steady and arriba. For the finale. Steady.
40. Umananilas na mali.
Let's go. Yeehaw. And the trainers as walkies.
Wow!
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with the new conference, the South American Sea Lions, Vincent and Isaac. And also hope that even after your leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, cannot survive in a harsh environment, so let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside the oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are the steward of the planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve only inhabitants in the Mother Earth, including ourselves. Sir Vincent and First and Assis. And also here at Akotikain, Manila Ocean. We would like to thank you everyone for visiting us today. We hope you will come back in person as again soon. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye now, of course. Sila and friends, say goodbye now.
Bye!
Oh, by the way guys, before you leave, if you love and souvenir photos with our lovely birds in our sea lions, please support our friend.
Di, dia sa mura.